Welcome to Elite Finance Insights, your gateway to the financial secrets of the world's most iconic success stories. Every tip we share is a key to the strategies once reserved for the elite. Ready to unlock your financial potential? Let's dive in. In a heartbeat, you will be drawn into a story of unparalleled ambition and calculated risk that challenges every conventional notion of success. Elon Musk is a name that resonates with both admiration and controversy. His financial journey is marked by daring decisions that have reshaped entire industries and rewritten the rules of investment. From his early ventures to his revolutionary projects today, Musk has consistently chosen the road less traveled. His willingness to risk personal wealth on visionary ideas is not mere bravado but a deliberate strategy designed to align his fortunes with the future he envisions. Musk's approach is grounded in the belief that true innovation demands sacrifice. Rather than spreading his investments across safe, conventional assets, he concentrates his resources into ventures that promise radical change. This concentrated risk is a departure from traditional financial advice, yet it has enabled him to push the boundaries of what is possible. Each decision is a calculated step into uncharted territory, driven by an unwavering conviction that long-term gains outweigh short-term stability. Throughout his career, Musk has faced moments of immense uncertainty. Whether grappling with production challenges or technological setbacks, he has demonstrated a remarkable ability to learn from failure and turn obstacles into opportunities. His financial strategy is not about avoiding risk, but about embracing it as an integral part of the path to greatness. Every setback is treated as a lesson that refines his approach and fuels his relentless pursuit of success. Central to Musk's plan is a deep commitment to his vision for a better future. His investments in electric vehicles, space exploration, and renewable energy are not driven solely by profit, but by a mission to transform the world. By reinvesting his personal fortune into these high-stakes projects, he sends a powerful message to investors and critics alike that his success is intertwined with the success of his ventures. This alignment creates a feedback loop where personal risk galvanizes broader support and validates his bold strategy. Musk's philosophy challenges the conventional wisdom of diversification. While many financial experts advocate for spreading investments to mitigate risk, Musk believes that extraordinary rewards come from taking bold, focused actions. His decision to channel his resources into a select few groundbreaking ideas is a testament to his confidence in the transformative power of innovation. This approach has earned him both staunch supporters and vocal critics, yet it has undeniably contributed to his status as a pioneer in modern finance. The power of Musk's strategy is amplified by his mastery of public perception. In today's interconnected world, his ability to communicate directly with millions through social media and public appearances has been instrumental in shaping his narrative. Each tweet, interview, and public statement is part of a carefully crafted image of a visionary unafraid to confront challenges head-on. This direct engagement not only builds excitement around his projects, but also reinforces investor confidence in his unwavering commitment to his long-term goals. Despite the risks, Musk's financial journey is defined by resilience and adaptability. In the face of daunting challenges, he has repeatedly shown that perseverance can turn potential failures into historic achievements. When production delays threatened to derail progress, he responded with innovative solutions and an unyielding determination to overcome obstacles. His ability to pivot and learn from every setback is a lesson in turning risk into opportunity, a quality that has become synonymous with his brand. The implications of Musk's strategy extend far beyond his personal fortune. His willingness to risk everything for a vision that transcends conventional boundaries has inspired a new generation of entrepreneurs. For American audiences, his journey is emblematic of the self-made spirit, a reminder that great success often requires stepping into the unknown. His story challenges the notion that financial security is the ultimate goal, suggesting instead that the pursuit of innovation and progress is far more rewarding. At its core, Musk's risky financial plan is a narrative of bold ambition and relentless determination. It defies the safe paths of traditional investment and embraces the unpredictable nature of groundbreaking innovation. His strategy is a reminder that risk, when managed with insight and conviction, can be the catalyst for monumental success. Every venture he undertakes reinforces the idea that the future belongs to those who dare to challenge conventional wisdom. The journey is not without its personal costs. Musk has faced intense scrutiny and significant setbacks that could have ended many ventures. Yet, he has repeatedly demonstrated that resilience and a willingness to learn from adversity are the true measures of success. His career chronicles moments where calculated risks turned imminent failure into stepping stones for greater achievements. This ability to rebound from challenges lies at the heart of his financial philosophy. Musk's story also highlights the importance of aligning personal passion with professional ambition. His willingness to risk everything is driven by a deep belief in the power of his vision to transform society. For him, financial risk is not a game of chance, but a necessary sacrifice on the path to revolutionary change. This approach has propelled his companies to new heights and inspired many to rethink their own relationship with risk and reward. The narrative of risk and reward in Musk's journey is closely linked to his broader mission of societal progress. His investments aim to tackle some of the most pressing challenges of our time, from climate change to space colonization. This mission-driven approach elevates his financial strategy from a mere business tactic to a profound commitment to reshaping the world. It reminds us that true innovation often comes from confronting uncertainty head-on. In the realm of finance, where caution often prevails, Musk's approach is a daring departure from the norm. His focused bets on disruptive technologies have redefined the boundaries of investment. By taking risks that many avoid, he has paved the way for a new paradigm where transformative change is valued over short-term security. His journey is a call to those who wish to look beyond safe investments and embrace the challenges of innovation. Every element of Musk's financial strategy offers a lesson in the art of possibility. His story teaches that success is not about the absence of risk, but about harnessing uncertainty and converting it into opportunity. Investing in a bold vision, even at the expense of personal comfort, can lead to achievements that benefit not only the investor, but society as a whole. His example encourages us to view risk as a stepping stone to greatness. As you listen to these words, consider the profound implications of a strategy that places personal conviction at the heart of every financial decision. Elon Musk's risky financial plan is not just a series of high-stakes gambles, it is a powerful demonstration of what can be achieved when one dares to dream big. His journey challenges us to redefine our own relationship with risk and to view every setback as a stepping stone to success. In the end, the legacy of Elon Musk is defined not by the safety of his investments, but by the audacity of his vision. His approach is a masterclass in turning risk into reward, a vivid reminder that the most groundbreaking achievements come from taking bold chances. This is the story of a man who challenged the boundaries of conventional finance and succeeded beyond all expectations. It calls on each of us to re-examine our own approach to risk and to embrace the possibility that every bold move carries the seed of revolutionary change. By daring to put everything on the line, Elon Musk has shown us that the future is built by those who are unafraid to take risks. As you reflect on the remarkable journey of Elon Musk, let his example serve as a beacon of inspiration for anyone willing to challenge the ordinary. His daring financial plan is not simply about accumulating wealth, but about shaping a future filled with possibility and progress. Embrace the idea that risk, when met with determination and a clear vision, can be the catalyst for extraordinary innovation. In a world that often prizes caution over bold ambition, remember that the greatest achievements arise from those who are willing to step into the unknown with courage and resolve. Let this story encourage you to trust in your own potential and to take the necessary risks to transform your dreams into reality. May this journey remind you that every risk holds the promise of a breakthrough, and every bold decision lights the path to a future defined by limitless potential and extraordinary achievement. Embrace them always now.